Hello everyone. So I've got the crank out, was in prep, and it is in prep. I've kind of selected an engine builder who is used to be local to me and obviously moved to Swindon, but I've got some problems I think. And if we just go in here, I've got, as you can see around here, that's rough. I don't like that too much, but as I've been going along, I've noticed I've got one hell of a gouge in there. Now this was sold fair dues. It turns freely was the phrase. That's not good. I don't like that. So that's worrying me at the moment. So anyone who is, has got experience of stuff like this, by all means comment. This is the first time I've really had something pulled to bits like this. The rest seem relatively okay, but I'm not overly happy about that one. That's a bit of a concept. That shows to me something spun around on this and really let itself go. Have I bought a Duff engine? I think the core block's okay. The core block's okay. If the damage on the crank is anything to go by, I'm thinking obviously we just go through, you replace your shells and stuff. But that's my limit of knowledge. One thing is now in play is, do we take this and get rid and someone buy what I've got, and then I put towards turning Bob into a Zetec powered kit car? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This will go on to, there's a Pinto group on Facebook. I'm going to give a shout out to those guys because they seem to know everything about these bloody things, and I know very, very little. But again, it's not a good thing to find. But hey ho, there you go. Right, onwards and upwards.